Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Pet and Family Compound. Got another mail call for you. This here from Theresa and Lee at Stringfield Ridge Farm. Sorry to get tongue-tied there. And so I'm going to open it up here. I'm going to have to get my knife out for this one. One of these heavy-duty postal ones with good tape on it. So just pop that open. Tape and glued shut. Ah, what the heck? Just right on through it. There we go. Yeah. Cool. Here we go. And this is the Old Farmer's Almanac. New Farmer's Almanac 2220 planner, and of course, to me it looks like it's backwards. I'm not sure if it's going to look backwards to you, but there we go. And it is loaded with all sorts of good information in here. And you just turn here a little bit, and it goes into several pages of information, and then it has the full calendar here at the bottom, and you start right on into the calendar year, and it's got so it's got a month on a page, so you got 12 pages of, or you got a page for the whole month, so you can fill out for that, and then you can start going into week at a time here for it. And see what else we got here. Go through it real quick. So it's January, and then it goes for it has February, and then it just goes through week at a time through February. All right, so let's see, that takes it all the way. Yeah. And each tab at the top here is color coded for a different month. So goes through all the way to the end, and the end's going into ends on January 1st, 2023. And then it has 2023 planning calendar in the back as well, and has a list of contacts and stuff, passwords, contacts, and emergency contacts. So real cool little planning book here, and I'm going to be starting making good use of it. And so if you haven't subscribed to Stringfield Ridge Farm, or you don't know who they are, I'll put the link for their channel down below, and you can go check them out. They have live streams on Friday nights, get my timing right here, 8 o'clock Eastern time. So check them out, and as always, plant a garden, get something growing, save money, don't spend it all at the store. See you around.